E ho mai kaiki mai luna mai e. Well, let me try to explain where we are, a sense of place. For the native Hawaiian, the Kanaka Maoli, we are at one of the most sacred places of Maui. The crater has pu'u, or cinder cones, that's named after all the primordial gods from here to Kaupo Gap. But it also tells us of the travels of Pele when she came from Tahiti, and she came from every island, started from Kaho'olawe, and from the backside of this mountain, Kanayo, came all the way up to the crater and down to Nu'u and all the way out, and she manifested herself on the big island of Hawaii. This place in ancient times was called Alaheakala, the calling of the sun. Haleakala came later, the house of the sun, but Alaheakala is the calling of the sun, and that's the significance here. There is this crater, this area is the receptacle of a lot of cultural remnants that goes back thousands of years.